It's showtime. If you're interested in investing in the crypto space, you came to the right place. I need to know if you're in cryptocurrency for the long haul. Hit that like button, subscribe, tell me your real 1% down in the comments below. I'm Project Pat, and on my channel, I get you project news, reviews, overviews with predictions on tokens you want to know about. This is our nighttime news update. Grab a non-alcoholic beverage, sit back, relax, and get lost in my voice while I serenade you with everything crypto. Tonight, we are talking about the B word. Elon Musk, Cathie Woods, Jack Dorsey sat down to give a chat about everything crypto. We're going to take a look into the top 10 public companies with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios. We're going to see what the whales are doing right now. First, let's take a look at the crypto sphere. Okay, the market cap is sitting at $1.2 trillion right now. Bitcoin dominance is at 46.2%. ETH dominance is 17.7%. Bitcoin today is sitting at $31,997, up 8% on the day, down 3% on the week. Market cap under $600 billion. Realistically, Bitcoin had a very good day today. ETH is sitting at $1,967, up 10% on the day, down 2% on the week, with a market cap of $228 billion. Then you see Tether sitting at number 3 at $61 billion, and Binance Coin at number 4 sitting at $48 billion. The stable coin is taking the third spot right now. Binance Coin is at $288 at this time. Cardano is up the chart at $1.16, up 9% on the day, down 8% on the week, chilling at $36 billion. USD coin, another stable coin, sitting in the top 10 at $26 billion. XRP is sitting at 56 cents right now, up 7% on the day, down 9% on the week at $26 billion. Number 8 is Dogecoin, 19 cents on the price, up 12% on the day, down 4% on the week, chilling at $24 billion. Polkadot is chilling right now at $12.37, up 13% on the day, down 11% on the week at just under $12 billion. And Binance USD, our third stablecoin in the top 10, sitting at $11 billion. The stable coins are a hot commodity right now. We've talked about this the other day in my recent video, where a lot of the altcoins have lost a lot of their value recently because of the sell-off. People want to put their money into the stable coins instead of putting it back into Bitcoin back in 2017, before the stable coins are really a hot commodity and a big thing around the sphere. Everybody would go from altcoins to Bitcoin. These days they're going more or less altcoins to stablecoin, even sometimes Bitcoin to stablecoin when it goes down. On the day, the top dog is Telcoin, sitting at 0.013 cents, up 34% on the day. Axie Infinity at $20.33, up 36%. Polygon Matic up to 88 cents, up 30% on the day. Flow is at $15, up 25% on the day, and T-Fuel is sitting at 27 cents, up 20% on the day. The losers, there's not too many. We're not counting stable coins. Leo is down to, it is at $2.71, down 12% on the day. And Celo, CELO, is at $2.37, down 1% on the day. Let's get a look into what's going on with our news. Elon Musk says SpaceX has bought Bitcoin. Personally, Elon Musk owns Ethereum and Dogecoin, okay? For Elon Musk, he says, I do own Bitcoin. Tesla owns Bitcoin. SpaceX owns Bitcoin. He said, revealing that he personally owns Ethereum and Doge. He did not disclose the amount that he and his company have invested, though did say he owns a significant more Bitcoin than Dogecoin or Ethereum. And that was one of the main takeaways that sparked a lot of interest from the B word with Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood, and Elon Musk. Like we said, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that it would most likely resume accepting Bitcoin payments, but it needs to do some more due diligence to make sure that its green energy use is above 50% threshold during the B Word conference, okay? The entrepreneur noted that Bitcoin's energy use had gone up due to Tesla driving the price rally earlier this year, but also acknowledged that the energy mix was shifted towards renewables due to China banning the mining industry. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin is shifting towards renewables, and it looks like some coal plants in China have been shut down. There is a trend towards 50%, more than 50% renewable energy. In that case, Tesla would resume accepting Bitcoin. With China banning all mining, okay, the mining industry basically came to a stop. There were a lot of old miners in China that were running that weren't very energy efficient because they were so much significantly older than the newer models. And due to this factor, everything is starting to turn because other countries are now doing more of the mining. Michael Vanderpope online, just on Twitter, said Elon Musk is not selling his Bitcoin, which in reality, that's one of the ways you have to look at it. He owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and he's not looking to sell anytime soon. Another one, Lark Davis, the crypto Lark. Elon Musk owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. His company, Tesla, SpaceX, both hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Now we're going to look at the top 10, we're going to look at the 10 public companies with the biggest Bitcoin portfolios to date. This is what we talk about in all my price prediction videos. What are the whales doing? Okay, so let's take a look. You know, and you've probably heard of some of these companies. MicroStrategies, okay? Michael Saylor is the CEO, and he always talks about buying 1,000 Bitcoin every second, and at one point he was talking about it. MicroStrategies is a prominent business analytic platform, has adopted Bitcoin and its primary reserve asset. Through 2021, the firm, which produced mobile software and cloud-based services, continues its Bitcoin buying spree. It now holds over 100,000 Bitcoin in reserve, equivalent to $3.3 billion in Bitcoin. At one point, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor said he was buying $1,000 in Bitcoin every second. For number 2 on this list is Tesla, okay? We've talked about Tesla in the past. The electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla has joined the ranks of companies holding Bitcoin, with an SEC filing revealing that it aggregated $1.5 billion in the cryptocurrency. Tesla did sell 10% of its Bitcoin holdings in Q1 of 2021. According to Elon Musk, this was to prove the liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash in a balance sheet. A lot of companies are going down this road. Galaxy Digital Holding, the largest institutional holder of Bitcoin to be directly involved with the crypto industry. Crypto-focused merchants bank Galaxy Digital Holdings holds 16,400 Bitcoin, according to BitcoinTreasuries.org, worth about $500 million at current price. Voyager Digital holds over 12,000 Bitcoin, according to Bitcoin Treasuries, worth around $400 million at current price. The firm aims to provide a one-stop shop for trading digital assets. In May 2021, reported quarterly revenue of $60.4 million, up 16% from the previous quarter. We saw the exponential adoption of cryptocurrencies as recognized an investable asset class. And I'm sorry, I said I was giving you a high number. It's $390 million at current price. Square Inc., okay, along with Tesla buying Bitcoin, Square Inc. in October 2020 invested $50 million in Bitcoin, and it lit the fuse for institutional investments. The CEO of this company was Jack Dorsey, who was on the B Word today. He's a Bitcoin enthusiast. You can follow him on Twitter, and he's very passionate about the Bitcoin space. Their holdings amount comes out to about 8,200 Bitcoin's worth $255 million at the current price. Square hasn't changed its tune on Bitcoin. In March 2021, the CFO argued that there's absolutely a case for every balance sheet to have Bitcoin on it. Just moving forward, you got to always know what the whales are doing. Marathon Digital Holdings, Bitcoin mining company Marathon Digital Holdings, unsurprisingly, is also a large holder of Bitcoin with about 5,700 Bitcoin in its corporate treasury, worth $184 million at the current price of Bitcoin. Coinbase Global, arguably, which realistically could potentially be the best known firm on this list for cryptocurrency. They're holding in 2021, they revealed they're holding $230 million in Bitcoin on its balance sheet by July 2021. Its Bitcoin holdings slipped to $1.43 million, or 4,482 Bitcoin. The Bitcoin Group is a Germany-based venture capitalist holding just under 4,000 at 394,000 Bitcoin, 3,947 Bitcoin, my apologies, worth around $1.26 million at today's price. Hut 8 Mining Corporation, a Canadian mining corporation firm. Hut 8 holds 3,522 Bitcoin worth $112 million. And then lastly, Riot Blockchain. It's a US-based crypto mining outfit. You might have heard it if you follow stocks recently. They are rearing out the top 10 with a holding of 2,243 Bitcoin worth $71 million at today's price. It's just astronomical to see. Going forward, we're going to talk about Bitcoin's opportunity. All traders need to know about what are the whales doing. We've seen it. And then what's going on in the market. While the market just assumes that the market is registering selling pressure, realistically right now, every buyer has a seller, okay? He argued that, especially true for the current market, since Bitcoin's price is low, it is poised as a good entry point for those wanting to buy in. The last time Bitcoin dropped to 30,000, MicroStrategy's bought $489 million worth of Bitcoin, equivalent to 13,005 Bitcoin tokens. Following the same thing that happened there, its holdings onto Bitcoin hit the $100,000 or the 100,000 token mark. Okay, and that's Jack Dorsey, which we talked about. And then this led to Kathy Woods followed this up with a purchase of a total shares in an ETF. Although it's not directly investing in crypto at this time, ARK Invest has been a big supporter of Kathy the technology. The technology and the exchange traded funds, or the ETFs. Meanwhile, take a look at the big fish. Okay. Meanwhile, other big holders of cryptocurrency are humpback whales and the dolphins, holding over 100 plus Bitcoins. The Bitcoin fish ratio would clarify the gap between small and big holders. The small fish account for 32% of what the big fish hold in the market. These holdings, however, do not include ETFs. So you got the small guys on the bottom, the big fish on the top. It's not talking about all the ETFs that are coming in. In a video we did this past month, we talked about all the different ETFs that are trying to get brought into the Bitcoin space at this time. One more thing to look at on Reddit, I got to give a shout out to the OP War Gizmo here. He came up with a chart that sorts out the cryptocurrencies by category. So if you guys really are trying to look at like where does your favorite coins fall in and what their competitors are, I've been looking for things to help you guys give you an idea of where certain coins that you might like fall into what category, so that you can start to look at it more or less and make your own research come up. So I just want you to see this before we go. You've got store value, the currencies, you've got Bitcoin at the top. It splits the list because it dabbles into both, going through the currencies all the way down off the top of Bitcoin. Then you got Ripple. Distributed computing, you know, Ethereum is at the top, and then you have all the smaller ones that call themselves the Ethereum killers. You've got your exchange tokens like Uniswap, and then the Binance Smart Chains in the middle there, or the BNB tokens. You've got your crypto.coms. Then you've got your meta chains, okay, the Polkadots, the Cosmoses, and the different ones here. You've got your meme coins. Shiba Inu token is also coming out with, if you don't know what it is, it's called Shiba Swap. That's where Shiba Inu is trying to make themselves a little bit branched off from Dogecoin. And then you've got your specialty coins, your chain links, your internet computers, your thetas, okay, and then VeChain going down the list here. Just so you understand the DeFi category, if you've probably seen Aave do a huge rip in the last couple weeks, where and then you've got Maker, Terra, or Luna, AMP, and Compound, and Celsius, and going down the list. We've talked about a few of these before. Gaming industry, I have started to take a look into Axie Infinity, Decentraland. I haven't really seen what Sandbox or NG Coin's about, but I have heard Engine Coin from the past. Layer 2 Ethereum solutions, we've talked about Polygon extensively on this channel. Then you've got Ox and Loopring as well. So I just wanted you guys to give yourself a big picture of what the heck is going on in the crypto space. This is a nice chart for really anybody, whether you're well known in the crypto space, or you're a beginner, you're a rookie, or you're a veteran. It doesn't matter. This is a nice way to just put a picture up there so you can see more or less the top dogs. And this is the top, I believe, 50. I could be wrong on that, but I believe 50. Don't hold me to it at this point, okay? Never forget while you guys are in the crypto space, okay? But before we go, okay, like I said, never forget why you're in the cryptocurrency space. Remember, give a hashtag reasons down below and elaborate what your reason is for being on your cryptocurrency journey right now. We're going to take a look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, okay? When you're looking at the Wall Street cheat sheet and you've seen us go all the way to the top, then we started to get complacent, and then anxiety, denial, and panic started to settle in, where potentially everybody has been talking about that you're still in the bull run. You just have to look at what's happened in the past. Where does history repeat itself? We've had our top, we've seen our anxiety, our panic, and then our denial point here, and then we're still going down off this thing. Yes, we've had a large green day, a large volume green day here, okay? I'm not going to go into spending the next 25 minutes talking about all, let's see, 10, 11 of these right here. I just want you guys to understand, huge green day, okay? Realistically, you still have your supports and your resistance. The daily resistance is down towards the $33,000 mark. Your support on the daily is down in the $29,000 mark. Your weekly support is up towards that $34,000 mark, and your weekly resistance is at the $34,000 mark. Your weekly support is down in the 26,000s. I'm on the daily chart. I'll show you the weekly chart real quick, just to give you guys a little bit more of an understanding, so you can see where the potential is for Bitcoin moving forward, okay? The trend line here, if Bitcoin doesn't find itself moving up in these next 2 or 3 days, then you could see yourself going towards the downside again. If it comes down here and then starts to show a break this way, it could also still find its time to just keep dancing on this support line and then fall off. You have to be ready for both plays. That's why we always talk about dollar cost averaging, and it's really the only way to look at it. Yes, there's a huge green day. Certain ones are up 30, 10, 40%. It's a nice green day to have, okay? If you're buying in on these green days, you could see yourself hurt in the long run of things, or in the short-term long run, and then from there you might end up getting sweaty, and then you're gonna sell when it dips. Don't be that guy that's selling on those dips. Don't let FOMO control you. Leave a like to help this video reach more people, and watch my other videos on price prediction. Subscribe to stay up to date. Comment on what tokens you want me to do a deep dive into next. I appreciate you guys coming to sit in my nighttime news update, okay? I hope you finished your drink by the time we're done with this video. Until next time, guys, it's all love. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Until next time, pad out. Take a look at our affiliate links down below. You've got BlockFi up to $250 in Bitcoin for rewards down below in the description. Coinbase, get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Link is in the description below. There's also a way on Coinbase, once you sign up, to learn about crypto and earn an extra $30 for just watching a couple videos and then answering the questions that follow the video. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to get them done. Celsius wallet, if you're holding Bitcoin or a different altcoin and BlockFi doesn't have it so that you can get paid for it, you can store your items on Celsius wallet. There is a wallet you can use on your desktop. If you feel more comfortable using it on your phone, you can download it in Android or iOS. Okay, it works in EU or US. If you deposit $400 in Bitcoin, you're going to get $40 in free Bitcoin as your sign-up bonus. Fellas, have a great one. Ladies, have a great one. Until next time, pad out.